One of my favorite things to do during rainy days is eat soup. I'll get it down on a black bean. I'll have a ramen. We'll do a Thai carrot soup. What soup do you got?
On rainy days, I like to make banana pancakes and drink hot cocoa.
On rainy days, we like to take naps. Let's sleep.
Rainy days, I like watching YouTube.
Rainy days, I like watching movies and doing my homework.
On rainy days, I like to grab an umbrella and put on a rain jacket, walk around outside and think about my life. Or else I just stay inside and watch Netflix.
Rainy days, I like to go outside because it's not hot or humid, and so I just take an umbrella. I don't mind the rain. Sometimes I go with no umbrella. It's refreshing, the rain, and I do my errands and enjoy being outside.
Rainy day, I like watching Netflix, especially Korean drama.
Okay, on rainy day, I like work out and watch Netflix at home.
Rainy day, I often watch movies on Netflix.
Number 1 is curl up with a good book on my Kindle.
On rainy day, I like watching movie and playing the piano.
Number 2, watch a movie on Netflix.
On rainy day, I like cooking Korean food.
On rainy day, I like online shopping.
And number 3 is, if I have time, take a nap.